Hello, Libra people. Welcome to my reading. First of all, I wish you a very happy new year, a very happy 2025. Well, this is a reading about no contact, okay, or very less communication or no communication at all, and either separation, divorce for married people, this kind of reading. So, no contact reading. Those who watch tarot, they know what no contact reading is. No contact love reading, okay. So I'm using six multiple decks out here to enhance your reading even more, to bring accuracy into your reading, to know the exact reason. What is the reason behind the no contact? Why has this situation arise in the very first place? Okay, so I've shuffled all the other decks, other cards. Rest of the decks are already shuffled. So I hope you understand that. In order to save time, I have done that. Okay. So this is a general reading for all Libras under the sun. So some factors will resonate, some factors will not resonate probably, or some situation will resonate with some Libras, some other situation will resonate with some other group of Libras. So take it as it resonates with your own love life, own love story, okay? And at last we'll see the guidance. And eventually throughout the reading we'll see what is the reason behind this no contact. आज अगर ये no contact situation आया है तो क्यों आया है, क्या वजह है इसके पीछे, what is the reason behind it, we'll see that. और आप क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या सुधार ला सकते हैं अपने लव लाइफ में. ओके लिब्रा पीपल, सो आई होप यू गॉट द जिस्ट ऑफ द रीडिंग. Libra no contact love reading. Libra no contact love reading. Okay. So Libra, here are your cards for your no contact love reading. You're very disturbed, Libra. You're very disturbed in your love life. You're very wounded in your love life. Very agitated in your love life with your partner. This could be from your side, Libra, or this could be from your partner's side, because energies do flip, roles can be reversed. So take it as it resonates with your own love story, okay? I see a very agitated you, a very wounded you. Deep down, you're very wounded. With Nine of Wands. You're very disturbed with your relationship. Your relationship has become very unproductive, It has become very unproductive. That's why it has moved aside. That's why this rift is created, this gap is created between you two. And that's why there is no communication. We'll further enhance the reading with, a more specific reason why there is disturbances, why it is such unproductive love, why you're agitated, why you're wounded. The reason will come out with these cards. You're looking for love, you're wanting for or having that desire of love. You're trying to fulfill your emotional needs because your emotional need is not fulfilled. Because you're agitated, you're wounded. You want to fulfill your emotional need, which is currently not there. You're very disturbed currently. That's why you're looking for you have that quest, you have that thirst of love, inside, deep down. Deep down, you wish for a new spark in your love life. It could be whether you're with your old partner or you're looking for someone new. Maybe you are already attracted to someone new. You want honest and disciplined love, Libra people. That is what you're looking for. We'll check out the reasons now. Everyone leaves. Choose a partner who can commit to you and let yourself commit to them. Maybe your partner has left you, or maybe you have left your partner because of such issues and such situations. Maybe that person, your partner, has got attracted to some other love, some new spark. That's why he or she has left you. Even this could be a possibility. You must be knowing it better than me. Since it's your love life, since it's your life, your love story. So deep down, that's why you're looking for love, You feel like everyone leaves. So choose a partner who can commit to you and let yourself commit to them. Let's check out some other reason. Escape. Love is an emotional escape for you. These are all the shadow sides of your love relationship. Love is an emotional escape for you. Be sure you are getting involved for the right reasons. It could be highly possible with you, Libra people, that you are doing this. Or your partner is doing this. किसी और वजह से मे बी मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, शायद आप स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हैं बहुत, अपने फैमिलीज़ को लेके हो सकता है, अपने पर्सनल लाइफ को लेके हो सकता है, या फिर ऑफिस के काम के वजह से हो सकता है. इसीलिए आप ये लव को इमोशनल एस्केप का रूट पकड़ के चल रहे हैं, ताकि वो स्ट्रेस आप भूल जाए जो काम के ज़रिए आ रहा है, जो फैमिली प्रेशर्स के ज़रिए आ रहा है. ऐसा भी लोग करते हैं. सो देन इट्स नॉट लव. Love is an emotional escape for you. Either you are doing this, Libra, or your partner is doing this. That's why it is very disturbing. That's why it is very unproductive. That's why you're agitated and wounded in love. Because your emotional needs are not met. So either you are doing this, you're escaping, or you're getting into love as an escape source, You're getting into love as an escape source from other stressful factors. कि प्यार करेंगे तो दिमाग प्यार में उलझा हुआ रहेगा, बाकी सब स्ट्रेस दूर हट जाएगा, इंसान करते हैं, ड्रिंक के साथ भी वैसा करते हैं, आप प्यार के साथ वैसा कर रहे हैं. ड्रिंक लेते हैं ताकि बाकी सब चीज़ें भूल जाए, बाकी सब स्ट्रेस भूल जाए, नेगेटिव थॉट्स ना आए उनके ख्याल में. आप प्यार के साथ ऐसा कर रहे हैं, एस्केप रूट समझ के चल रहे हैं आप प्यार को, बट प्यार ऐसा करने से नहीं होता है. दिस इज़ नॉट लव देन, माय डियर लिब्रा. बी श्योर यू आर गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व फॉर द राइट रीज़न इन लव. सही वजह के साथ प्यार कीजिए किसी से, या प्यार में पड़िए. एस्केप करने के लिए किसी और फैक्टर से, किसी और सिचुएशन से एस्केप करने के लिए प्यार में मत पड़िए, या फिर किसी और से प्यार मत कीजिए, लिब्रा पीपल. नाउ मे बी योर पार्टनर इज डूइंग द सेम थिंग विद यू. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर डीप डाउन एजिटेटेड एंड वुंडेड. सो टेक इट एज इट रेजोनेट्स विद यू, either from your side or your partner's side. So Be sure you're getting involved for the right reasons in love. Don't take it as an emotional escape route. Love is certainly not that. Let's check out some other reason. Let's work on our dreams together. It is being said, let's work on our dreams together. ऐसे escape करने से नहीं होगा, या फिर wounded रहने से, agitated रहने से नहीं होगा. You have to work on your love life. You have to work on your dreams together. आपको भी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, आपके पार्टनर को भी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. तभी आपका ड्रीम्स फुलफिल होगा, तभी आपका इमोशनल नीड्स फुलफिल होगा. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. तभी आपका रिलेशनशिप प्रोडक्टिव होगा अगर आप एक साथ मेहनत करेंगे. हर एक चीज़ में मेहनत की ज़रूरत होती है, मेहनत करना पड़ता है. ऐसे ही सब कुछ ठीक नहीं हो जाता है. हाँ, प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. लव सिचुएशन हो चाहे कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, पर्सनल लाइफ, फैमिली लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, एजुकेशनल लाइफ, कुछ भी हो, प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. दैट इज़ ट्रू. हर एरिया लाइफ का स्मूथ नहीं रहता है, लेकिन उस प्रॉब्लम्स को हैंडल करना, सल्यूशन ढूंढ निकालिए. फोकस प्रॉब्लम में नहीं, फोकस सल्यूशन में दीजिए. Okay, Libra people, so please work together on your dreams. Only then your relationship will be productive. तभी जाके ये नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन ख़त्म होगा. वर्क ऑन योर ड्रीम्स टुगेदर, एक साथ मिलके. Moving on to the next reasoning factor. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose, certainly, to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. ये जो टर्मोइल से आप गुज़र रहे हैं, ये टर्ब्यूलेंट फेज से आप गुज़र रहे हैं, एजिटेटेड रह रहे हैं, वूंडेड रह रहे, डिस्टर्ब्ड रह रहे मेंटली, नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन में आज पहुंच गया आपका लव लाइफ आपके पार्टनर के साथ. ये हर एक चीज़ के पीछे कुछ हायर पर्पस रहता है, यूनिवर्स का, डिवाइन का. कुछ स्पिरिचुअल रीजनिंग फैक्टर्स रहते हैं जो अभी शायद आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन ग्रेजुअली समझ में आएगा कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ है या क्यों हुआ था. जब आप रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे पास्ट में, धीरे धीरे आपको पता चलेगा. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. A blessing in disguise कहते हैं ना. We call it a blessing in disguise. Eventually, you'll come to know that why this situation has occurred in your life. Why this kind of things have happened in your life. You will feel blessed by the divine then. But currently, अभी ये फेज से आप गुजर रहे, तो जिसके लिए आपको हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा, both of you. Then eventually you will realize that you are being blessed when the truth will be revealed to you by the universe. कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ. Okay, now moving on to the another part of guidance. See, it says, protect your dreams. It says, protect your dreams. आप और आपके पार्टनर मिलके बहुत ड्रीम्स देखे होंगे इस रिलेशनशिप को सजाने का, बहुत सपने देखे होंगे, बहुत कुछ सोचे होंगे. You are the guardian of your precious dreams and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. अपने ड्रीम्स पे काम कीजिए और उसे सेफ गार्ड करके रखिए. वुंडेड होने से, एजिटेटेड होने से आपका काम नहीं बनेगा, बिगड़ जाएगा उल्टा. तो यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट योर ड्रीम्स जो भी सपने आप देखे हैं अपने लव लाइफ को लेके, अपने पार्टनर को लेके, वॉट एवर ड्रीम्स यू हैव ड्रेम्ड, wishes that you have deep down for your love life, for your partner. Protect your dreams and work on your dreams together. This is what is being guided to you by the divine, by the universe, by the Almighty. Protect your dreams because you are the guardian of your precious dreams. And know that they are safe in your care. Don't feel scared. Work on them together, then you'll certainly be able to fulfill your dreams. Your wishes will come true. Manifest कीजिए. Maintain a journal, write it down in a diary कि क्या ड्रीम्स हैं, उसे मैनिफेस्ट कीजिए. तभी आपका ड्रीम्स रियलिटी में टर्न होगा. उस थॉट को, वो जो डिज़ायर है, वो जो ड्रीम है, उसे वास्तव में लाने के लिए अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में उसे डेली बोलते बोलते बिठाइए उसे डीप डाउन. लेट इट सेटल इनटू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, क्योंकि वहाँ से मैनिफेस्टेशन होता है. Are you getting my point, Libra people? So this is how you manifest your dreams. This is how your dreams turn into reality. So this was all about your reading, Libra people. Hope you liked it and got some guidance throughout this reading. So I wish you all the very best for your love life. Do the necessary changes, whatever is needed to be make it correct. Rectify the situation, rectify your own self if required, and cooperate with your partner. Work on your dreams together. That is what is being guided to you. Keep your dreams safe and don't feel scared. Everything will be all right. Okay, Libra people? So wish you all the very best. Do let me know in the comment section about the resonating factors. See you in my next reading. I'll certainly appreciate your comments. It will be helpful for me also. So see you in my next reading. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.